the sheds aren't very good. There's a roof that's collapsed down and I'm gonna have to try and fix it. Oh, knickers on some wire. Right, here we go again. We want to try and get a few cows and calves out of there because it's getting so crowded in here with all the cows calving in their calves, and there's some bit bigger calves like that one just there could go out with her mum and whatnot, just to make it lighter in here because there's so many in here now with the calves. It's crowded, real crowded. So I'm going to try and let them down what we call down the bramble banks. They can go out there, and I put a bale down there. I've already scraped it up, put a bale down there, so they got a bale to eat, and there's a little bite of grass. I'm just trying to do that, but I've been down there cleaning up and tidying up, and oh, the sheds aren't very good. There's a roof that's collapsed down and I'm gonna have to try and fix it. Well, there's a water tank underneath it. Oh, knickers on some wire. Shit. We'll get some electric wire as well.
Anybody ever make comments on their...
Yes, lots of people, Dad. I'm nicking this wire, all right? Yeah, anyhow, so go down there. I've got to put a bit of electric wire up and try and fix a shed and all sorts of stuff. Right, where am I? I've got all this lot on here. Various bits and bobs I think I need. I got the digger down there. So just try and get a few out just to make it easier in the shed. It's quite a banky field, so up on the banks lies dry, but we got some rickety old sheds that I put a bit of straw in, and the calves can shelter in there, but it's only going to be big calves going out. It's not as if it's going to be babies. So a little job for today. Well, I've been at it a couple of hours already, mucking about. I didn't realise how bad it was because there ain't been nothing down here all winter. Well, just sort of forgot about it really. All this wants knocking down really and starting again because it's had its day. Anyhow, we'll make do amend for now. I got to put a bit of water, well, drainage pipe in as well because there's a spring. It's running like hell and the pipe was blocked. I've been trying to, well, find out where it's going and couple it back up. And you got a spring there running and it goes down into that pipe there and away. I did have it running into this tank, but the tank is just had it, it's donkey's years old. It'd run into the tank, then run out and go in the pipe, but the cattle would fill it in over time, so I'm just going to pipe it up for now. I've done with it like that. See? A bit of pipe is long enough. That's got to go there. Ugh, slightly short. Bugger. Well, that ain't quite long enough. I'll have to get a bit more. I got a bit more up home. Right, well that's that job I can't do. Then I got this. This is fell down. Problem is, how am I gonna do this? Let's get me bits of wood. Right, let's pick it up a minute. Something like that. Right, stay there. I think what I'm gonna do, just screw that straight into there. Right, I've got some real long bolt type things. I'm gonna try and drive them in. Oh, do I go up through there first? Right, that's gone in there. I've got a spare one in here I've got to take out. Oh, wrong way. Damn. Oh. Well, there's somewhat. I let it down, see what happens. Take his bloody coat off. Oh, pretty! I like that. Is that going to stay there? Oh, a bit bouncy. Wanna strut across there. When I go out dinner time, I'll get a bit more timber and just strut it. Well, that's solid. That ain't going nowhere. Gonna get all this rubbish out, all these blocks, just dump round the corner. Right, well, that's that little job done. I want to push a stake in here because I'm going to put some wire across here, stop the calves going in the muck and down round this little bit of a dung heap. I'm going to chuck this bit of straw in a few little sheds just to give the calves a little bit of shelter if they want it and something to lie on. This isn't fun going around here sometimes when it's wet and slippery. Oh, you bastard. I think that'll do. On the lean, but it'll do. Just a bit of straw in these sheds that are half any good for them to lie on. You still have a bit of shelter. And a bit of wood up through there. Prop that. Oh yeah, wants a piece as well. Like that. Right, whatever. What do I want? I've got the wire and stakes. Don't want it too high because the bloody calves will go underneath. I'll do for there. Basically, it's just to stop the calves. So, I think, what's the time now? Mum's gonna have me some chips ready, so. Ooh, over number plate. Go up and have me chips a minute. Probably a chip. Oh, chipping sausages. It's all right, worth going up for it. So I'll go have me chipping sausages, and then I'll be back to do a bit more. Get this ready. Oh, string it away. Right, part 1. Ed Jones signing off for sausage and chips. It's all right. Well, you don't want it on your Swede. You could quite do. Right, I want you to just hold this up in place. Hey, well, yeah, there. Something like there. Right, just hold that bit of wood there. Just hold that. All right, I've got to get me bits. Oh, where is it? Oh, come on out. You still got it, Mum? Oh.
Will it go in?
Bloody screw. And a lot of good. Yes, technical term. Right, it should stay there now. It is like that, isn't it, Mum? Another silver one. They're going to rub on that, but whatever.
No, they'll have a good old scratch, won't
Well. Right. That shouldn't go nowhere. Right. Now what I want to do, I want to prop this one as well.
they? Oh, yeah.
Because,
Well, you're a bit wobbly, isn't it?
Well, it's all this.
Yeah, this year.
Well, I want a bit of wood under here somewhere. I don't know where I'm going to get a bit from.
We've got the saw, put a bit of tree down.
No, I ain't got a saw. How many screws you got left in your hand?
4.
As many as that. Oh, you bitch. Right, I'm gonna watch out because I'm gonna lift this roof up,
What
all
are you
right?
going to do with that stick?
I'm gonna prop it
Oh,
in there like that, and that's going up under there somehow. All right?
yeah.
But I'm gonna lift him up with a digger. Right, what screws you got?
4.
Yeah, I know, 4. Let's have a look. They big uns. Yeah, all right.
You don't want to put no more fucking nails in there, sure?
Yes, it's got to hold that bit up.
Well, it's got real
Yeah, yeah, but you're. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing.
more nails than there is bloody wood.
No, that's a shame, isn't it? More nails than wood, eh?
That's busy sewing up.
Is that? Okay. I think that wood's rotten up through there, isn't it? Oh, is it?
You'll have the fucking old thing down this summer.
Yeah, I know, but I don't want it to come down on Summit's head.
No.
Let's have another screw. Oh, you horrible bitch. Right, that's that.
No leak in the middle of that shed.
It leaked like a sieve, Mum.
You will?
Yeah.
Oh, you still got the aqua prop in the middle.
Yeah, well, I put that there. I wonder, would it be better with that end? There.
That's better fit.
Yeah. Right, more screws.
You would be handyman making some cucumbers there, didn't you?
Oh, you would you? That's fucking Adrian's fault. Where's that last screw, Mum?
So that middle wall there collapsed, did it?
That bit there fell down and all that was down. And they couldn't get to the tank. So they had to do something. I think that's as much as I'm gonna do now. Right, I'll concentrate on the water.
You've got water coming out. Oh, this
Yeah, no, the water around. Oh, I got a few more screws here. What's that one? That's good, all in the roof, isn't it?
there, isn't it?
Yeah. It's been falling down for years, Mum. You know
I know
that.
it, Eddie, but your father's so bloody obstinate. You won't do that.
I know. Obstinate. He's oh, you can't get the staff, can you? Well, we can remember, was it 1976? I would have been 7.
No, 70, yeah,
76 in the fucking
Oh,
heat
that's
wave.
it. We had them down here putting
They was
concrete.
concrete in the heat wave all by hand,
Yeah.
wasn't it? Do you remember
yeah,
that?
Graham and John Gassard.
Yeah.
Chris.
Was all down here. All this was done by hand, concreted and stuff. And this was this one. This and up the top, the old shed up the top was all you had, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's it in the cow shed.
In the cow shed. All them other big main sheds, none of that was there. It was just. Well, this bit is, yeah, but it's just, look at it, it's all fell down. It's all just had it, hasn't it? Eh?
That bloody old elder bush one coming out. I expect he's holding the wall up.
Well, leaving there, if it's holding the wall up.
Yeah, but you hit all that down, wouldn't you?
Yeah, all of it would go, wouldn't it?
Want some hardcore over.
Well, there'd be plenty of hardcore once I hit it down.
Yeah, it was bloody hot as hell in 76, wasn't it?
Yeah, I can remember it as plain as day.
I don't know what concrete Dad had. They come down here and tipped it up anyway.
I thought they mixed it by hand.
No, they didn't. They had lorries. Had a lorry.
Well, I can remember some of it being mixed by hand.
Yeah, some lorry come down here. This was bloody gravel.
Might have been gravel. Right, let's see. Take this down. See if it falls down now. Oh, look, it's made there. Amazing. Right, I've got to do my pipe now. Right, I'm gonna put that pipe in and just connect it. I'm gonna pass this flipping tank for now because he's no good.
Well, he's bloody knackered, isn't he?
Technical term? Yes, I'm gonna just try and put a pipe, yeah, straight onto there.
Yeah. You've got a spray.
Oh, what?
A spray.
No, I haven't. I forgot that. Only want to push the pipe into here. Oh, they're not hurt, is it? Look at it. Been pissing down rain. Did I tell you I had to help Val lamb you?
Yeah.
I can't get underneath it very well. No.
Have to dig it.
I am trying to dig it.
That thing, fella.
Yeah, I know, he's turned off.